Ever wondered how Feng Shui can turn your outdoor garden space into a serene sanctuary? Feng Shui, an ancient Chinese art, can bring tranquility and balance to your garden. It's about harmonizing energy flow, creating a peaceful oasis. Now, let's dive into the steps to design your garden with Feng Shui. First off, understand your garden's energy map or bagua. This is the first step in Feng Shui garden design. The bagua is a grid-like map that helps you identify the different areas of your garden and the type of energy they represent. Each section of the bagua corresponds to a certain aspect of life, such as wealth, health, or relationships. Next, select appropriate plants and elements for each bagua area. For instance, the wealth area is best suited for lush green plants and elements in purple and red, while the health area benefits from earthy tones and low grounding plants. The third step involves the positioning of water elements like fountains or ponds. Water is a powerful energy conductor in Feng Shui, and its placement can greatly influence the flow of positive energy in your garden. Then consider the placement of garden furniture and decorations. These should be arranged in a way that promotes relaxation and encourages the free flow of energy. Finally, maintain balance and flow in your garden. Regularly prune your plants, clear clutter, and ensure all elements are in harmony with each other. And voila! You've just designed your garden using Feng Shui principles. Isn't it fascinating how Feng Shui can transform your garden space? We've explored the power of Feng Shui in outdoor garden design, recapped the steps, from understanding the bagua to selecting the right elements and colors, and placing them strategically for balance and harmony. It's your turn now. Transform your garden into a serene sanctuary. If you found this video helpful, show us some love by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more garden design ideas and tips. Happy gardening! Happy